I'm going to go to the circle cam, open the file, and I'm going to add a small cutout on this. Select the rectangle and extrude. Just pull that out 10. Close and return. And now when I add a motor, you'll be able to see this actually turn. Around the center, flip direction, finish. I'm just going to run this now. Now when we hit play, nothing else happens. You can see the motor's turning, but that's it, because it's circular. Now let's take a look at what happens when we modify the hole on the circle. So I'm going to open the circle cam part again, identify the circle. So we're going to push the circle out 15. Close and return. And now the whole model updates. I go back here to play again. Now it's off center. When the circle moves out, it acts as a cam with a very even and smooth stroke. And to highlight this constant rate of motion, let's add a right angle to this arm. I'll go back and identify the part, the follower, and right mouse click, so I'd like to edit, and I'll zoom in, go to the line command, and I'd like to sketch on this face. I'm just going to draw a line right across here, and then borrow some geometry, borrow this line here and these two on the outside. And I'd like to also put a dimension on here to keep this at the same thickness. And I'll make that 12. Select, identify that region, and I'll pull that out 145 and fit the view. And obviously because I've changed this one, it changes this one because they're the same part. Let's make one additional change here. I'll go to round, chamfer equals setbacks, and identify these two edges here. Let's put in a chamfer of 7. And I'll close and return. Let's run this again. And let's fix this interference issue here. I'll double click on the part and grab this face on this edge right here. Let's pull that out, 35. I'll just put a little sketch on this face right here. I'll just draw a line anywhere along here. Then I could push in this area right here so that doesn't interfere, just to the other side of that. And close and return, fit the view. And let's run that and also look at it from the other side.